Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 120 reversal film, long time ago. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Now it's kind of grainy pencil drawing type image, but I'm gonna use two images to get something interesting, something impressive image. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna check this pencil drawing type image, changing blend mode. Normal to like darken, color burn, color's nice. Let's see, others. Overlay, this is pretty nice. Contrast wise, overlay is nice. Color burn, I like this. Yeah, real nice colors. Well, this is not like light illustration type image though. More like oil paint, kind of deep. So second thought, I may try to make some kind of oil paint look image from this. Well, this time I'm going to try oil paint type image, more strong impression. This color does. Now I'm going to make group, then I make a fixed on one layer. Duplicate layers, this group. Then flatten this group. Now we got the one image. Now I'm going to move this, break down this group. Then delete. Now I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image on top. Then just turn it off. And also this base image, turn it off. Now I'm gonna make, just in case, duplicate this layer. The bottom one, just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this one. I'm gonna smudge this image. Okay, Smudge Tool. Let's use Evolve. Now go from outside. Okay, go for detail, take these grains out, smooth out her face and skins real nicely. Wow, look at this. Blue. Well, almost done for smudging. Roll Details, no greens. Well, took a little while to finish up this smudging. Well, I go for some touch-ups, details. Look at this, only the brush texture. Well, okay, now, then, next, let's see. This is smudged. Let's compare. This is the first image that I smudged. Pretty smooth out. Now, from here. Let's see, we got the pencil drawing type image here. Then look at this color dodge, pretty interesting images here. Well, overlay 70. Well, let me see, I just test. This is smudged image. Then I took all the greens, all the smudge to take it out, get out of this grain type texture of the pencil drawing type image. Now even so, I have pencil drawing type image here, right? Now I'm just curious. Let's see, duplicate this layer and then turn it off to keep this one. Then I'm gonna work on here, this image. Well, I just want to test Gaussian blur on this layer, pencil drawing type image. Now it's 5%. You can see the difference, huh? Yeah, you see the round face. Well, let's see 20. Okay, now turn it off to see. Oh, go back to normal. So much blur. Look at this compared to this. This is a sharpened pencil drawing type image. Then this is blur. This is too much, I think, so maybe 10% or so. I'm gonna delete this. Then again, I'm gonna duplicate, make another one. Then on this layer, Gaussian blur, 10%. Yeah, 10%. Now done. So we can see difference. Now then I'm gonna second one, just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna change this pencil drawing type image, overlay 70. Then turn on this smudged image. You see now. On and off. Lighten up some. Let's see, make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm going to review with, well, airbrushing to medium blend. Not much. Just lighten up. Okay, now this is just leave it here now, and let's see. I just want to see this. It's now overlay, right? Divide. Little more contrast. Some part. This is interesting too. Okay, in this case, just bring this one back to overlay. Then let's see, leave this one. Then I'm gonna turn on this pencil drawing type image I haven't touched. Just change normal blend to divide. Oh, this one. Then tone down about 30%. Now maybe a little bit contrast up, huh? And this is overlay effect. Yeah, divide effect. Make it more wall contrast, color contrast. That's interesting. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna change name, all the names, otherwise I'm gonna confused. Rename, pencil drawing. And this one is smudged. Okay, original base and a color brown effect of the pencil drawing type. Then this one is smudged color brown effect layer. Then this is smudged image on pencil drawing type image overlay effect about 70% with mask to get this highlight, well, a little bit lighten up. Then add this divide 30% of overall image to get more saturation, saturated color and contrast. Well, I guess that's it for today. Pretty much big difference. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna try something different. Wait, I'm gonna save this one now. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And well, you guys have a nice day and try something interesting. Well, thank you again, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.